Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to finally catch up on one of our last builds on this marathon. We are going to be doing our Lamborghini Miura today, and we're going to be doing stage 69, would you believe. Now, I've more or less just got this pack to finish, and then I'm really caught up. There's not a lot to do. I think it's worked out about 8 issues altogether that I've got to catch up on, so it's not too bad really, but we're going to be back working on the front of the car again. We're going to be installing the tank tube and fitting the clutch master cylinders, so yeah, this should be very fun today. Doesn't look like it's going to be a long video, but yeah, we'll just see how things will go. Touch wood and don't jinx yourself, Mark. Anyway, enough of me rabbiting on, let's get on with today's build. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so stage 69, we are going to be working basically, like I said, on the tank tube and fitting the brake and clutch master cylinders. Not a lot to do, and in true Rossi style, we're not actually using any of the parts we get today. No, we're just going to be using what we had in issue 68. I have had to sort of reacquaint myself with this one because I forgot where we were at. But if I bring over this is what we were working on before. And what we've just got these two black covers to fit. So if we can just get them out, there we go. So we're just going to fit them on top of these screw holes here. And I ain't got a clue if these things are going to be shown when it's complete, but we'll see. Okay, now we just need a little bit more persuasion. Okay, so now we've done that, what we need to do is we just need to put that to one side because we need the tank tube and its support. If we just grab these two pieces here, this is what we're looking at. And basically what we've got to do is we're going to be installing this more or less onto here, just like so. And we need to screw that in with a type V screw. So I think it'd be nice to be caught up finally on all the builds, even though I've got other new builds to start. But things are progressing nicely. Okay, so that's now screwed together. What we need next is this little piece here. This is going to go onto this end here. So we're just going to push that into place, just like so. Then if we bring our bit across, it's saying it wants us to identify this hole just down here and these three holes here, and this is where this is going to be fitting into. So if we just slip that underneath there, try and line that up. That's gone in quite nicely actually. Oh no, maybe not. Shouldn't jinx yourself, Mark. I thought it had gone in quite nicely. There we go, that's gone in. Would you believe it, one of them covers has come off already. Okay, right, so now we've fitted that in place, the next thing we need to do is the clutch master cylinder. So again, just move that to one side. We get these two pieces here, and we're going to be combining these two pieces together. So with this around this orientation, this is going to be going on just like that. Okay, we're bringing the car on the front back across, and it's wanting us to locate two holes just down into there, and that is where it's going to be seated. So I'm just seeing which way they want this around. I would presume it would go that way, but never presume. So we've got two little sort of like lug holes, but looking at it, there's quite a bit of flashing on one of them. So I'm just going to try any best way I can in getting this in. Now the lug hole I thought I'd have problems with, I've not had problems with. The lug hole I didn't, I am. Okay, so that's in place, just down there, as you can see. And would you believe it, that's all there is to do in this stage. So that is the tank tube and fitting the brake and clutch master cylinders in place. So that is issue 69 or stage 69 complete. Well guys, that's it for stage 69. That was a really quick issue to do, to tell you the truth. Nice to be to be doing something quick coming back to this really, because yeah, I did have to sort of get myself reacquainted with it before we started building again, and that's always a given with these part works. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the way things have come out. Now I do know in the next issue we will be using the parts from stage 69 and we will be using the parts from stage 70, so that will be very interesting to see finally. But yeah, a nice quick one to come back with, and I'm really happy with that. Anyway, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now.